Hi everybody, my name is Ryan Eisenberg and I'm a Principal Software Architect at CyberArk and at AWS Serverless Hero. Are you developing Lambda functions in the cloud with Python? Are you always on the lookout for new tools to make you more productive? What if we could hear from the experts? On November 27 at AWS reInvent, alongside Heider Lessa, Chief Architect for Powertools for AWS, I will give a breakout session called the Pragmatic Serverless Python Developer, which is basically an opinionated approach to serverless development. We'll cover lots of topics such as project structure, how do we write Lambda function handlers, how do we write integration code, and how do we test it all. So basically, we've got you covered. We're also going to cover open source utilities and libraries such as Powertools for Lambda, which streamlines your serverless development. So join us on November 27 for OPN 305. Again, that's OPN 305. We have 2 sessions. So see you there.